Hello friends, today I give explanation about DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid. This is one type of nucleic acid. DNA acts as a genetic material in most of the organism. DNA is long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. See here structure of DNA. We take example of simple cell. See here simple cell. Inside the cell, this is nucleus. Nucleus consists of chromatin material. See here chromatin material. Chromatin material is thread structure. This type of thread structure inside the nucleus. See here chromatin material. During cell division, chromatin gets organized into chromosomes. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. See here chromosomes. In a cell which is not dividing, this DNA is present as a part of chromatin material. Chromosomes contain information for inheritance of characters from parent to next generation in the form of DNA. Human has 23 pair of chromosomes. See here chromosomes diagram. Chromosomes consist of genes. On the genes, DNA are situated. See here. This is diagram of DNA. Simple diagram of DNA. Chemical structure of DNA has three components. Chemical structure of DNA has three components. First is nitrogenous base. Second is pentose sugar. Second is pentose sugar. And third is phosphate group. Third is phosphate group. There are two types of nitrogenous bases. First is purines. In purine base, adenine and guanine are present. In pyrimidine base, cytosine and thymine are present. See here a polynucleotide chain. See here, this is polynucleotide chain diagram. This is phosphate group. This is pentose sugar. This is nitrogenous base adenine. This base is thymine. This base is guanine. See here, this base is cytosine. Next point, double-stranded polynucleotide chain. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick proposed a very famous double helix model for the structure of DNA. This model is based on the X-ray diffraction data produced by the Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. See here diagram. This curved edge, see here, this curved edge is made up of sugar and phosphate. So this is sugar and phosphate backbone. Inside the curved edges, horizontal line present, which are nitrogenous bases. See here, these horizontal lines are nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Adenine forms two hydrogen bond. See here, adenine forms two hydrogen bond with thymine. Adenine forms two hydrogen bond with thymine from the opposite strand, and vice versa. See here, double bond. And similarly, guanine is bond with cytosine. See here, guanine is bond with cytosine with three hydrogen, triple hydrogen bond. See here, triple bond. The ratio between adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine are constant and equals 1. As a result, always purine base comes opposite to the pyrimidine base. There are roughly 10 base pairs. See here, there are roughly 10 base pairs in each turn of DNA. Next point is function of DNA. DNA act as a genetic material in most of the organism. They store genetic information. DNA molecule contain the information necessary for the constructing and organizing cells. DNA regulates all the genetic activities. It also regulates the protein synthesis. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for next video. Thank you.